Hello, this is Xiaocun Xu. I'm here to talk about how I installed and explored the Eclipse. First, I'm gonna briefly talk about the installation. Just give a little rundown about a small problem I run into. Then I will give a few screenshots about how I explored the Eclipse. Then lastly, I will just give a demonstration about how I explored Eclipse. So there was a small problem I ran into. It's because uh, I installed the Eclipse first uh, because I thought I already have the Java, but the Java was not up to date. Uh, After install Eclipse, it was running fine. Then I thought I should just follow the instruction, keep everything up to date. So I updated Java after I installed the Eclipse. So this is where uh, the problem came up. The Eclipse wouldn't start after I updated the Java to the newest version. The problem is that if you update the Java after you update Eclipse, the process of updating Java won't do anything to this Eclipse configuration file. As you can see, I circled this Java path. This is actually not consistent with what I had. So after I manually just replaced this path to the actual location of the JDK, the Eclipse was working fine. So for the exploration, I just create a simple Hello World project by clicking File and a new project, new Java project, then give it a name, then keep everything else default. Then I click Finish. After that, I can just right-click uh, the source folder of the project, then a new class just to create a new class. This a small window will pop up. I had to just click this main function just to save some typing effort. Then just print the hello world with this line of code. After that, you can just click on the new class file, then click on Run as Java application, or you can just simply click this green button. Next, I'm gonna give a little demonstration to show how I did this little project. Now, upon the success of creating a project, I can right-click on the source folder, then create a class, uh, then select the main function, and then give a name about this class. Then save the file, then run it. Uh, the other thing I want to talk about is a couple of functions I normally would access. Sometimes you need to add new library to support your new functionality. Uh, it might be just adding new support for database. You can just click on the project property and Java build path. You can add your new library from here. The other thing is the switch between different perspective. It just gives you different look for different uh, programming language or different purpose of using Eclipse. Uh, then the other thing is sometimes you may uh, accidentally close a small window around here or there. You can just choose a window and preference. Uh, so for example, if